Welcome to the Wawazen Waterwall School Affiliate Program. We are the worldwide #1 Waterwall school, and you can save up to $1,000 or start your own business by building waterfalls on your own, even if you don't have a workshop. Become our partner today, join our affiliate program and earn up to 50% commissions and generate passive income by promoting our products. Like for example the Wawazen Business Partner, ready-to-go system for the instant start of your Waterwall business. Or the Water Feature Project Mastery, 100+ chapters with videos and tutorials to stay relaxed with your projects. Or the Glass Waterwall Mastery, 10+ video lessons including tables, checklists and PDF plans. Or the Wawazen Waterwall Developers Community, evolve, earn and share in the worldwide #1 circle for Waterwall developers. DIY Waterwall, how to be successful with indoor waterfalls. Our free Waterwall Course, Waterwall Essential Basics, Function, Benefits, Automatization Models, Operations, Care, Maintenance, Safety, Pictures and Videos. Start earning now and visit mywaterwall.mykajabi.com/af.